Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you mine, oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you mine, oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So as you can see in today's video, I am going to be doing my wash routine for the first time in the shower. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I did do an Aztec clay mask on my hair, so if you want to see that video, I'll go ahead and link it down below. So after rinsing that out, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this conditioner just so I can get a little bit of moisture back in my hair, because my hair was super squeaky, like dry, and it needed some moisture before I go in with the shampoo. So that is what I'm doing right here. And when I tell you guys, this conditioner is super moisturizing. Like, I've used it once before, but I haven't used it in a long time, and I used it for the first time in a while. And when I tell you, this conditioner is like the best. Like, I love it so much. It got nice slip, it's easy to detangle, like it just glides through your hair. I was just like, I can't believe I stopped using this. But yes, I will link everything down below, so don't worry. Alright, so now I'm going in with this Pantene Gold Series shampoo, and I really like this shampoo because it is super moisturizing for a shampoo. It doesn't leave my hair feeling like stripped or anything, and I can actually sometimes detangle my hair after I actually shampoo. So I really like this shampoo for that. So I'm just making sure I get all of my hair. I don't just shampoo my roots, I just go ahead and do the whole thing. So that's what I'm doing right here. Alright, so now I'm going in with this deep conditioner, and this is a hair mask by Shea Moisture. It's one of my favorites. So I used to go in with conditioner, detangle, and then put the deep conditioner on, but now I've been just going straight in with my deep conditioner, just so it can just go ahead and get the moisture it needs and just be sitting on my hair. And then I detangle, and then, you know, if I do need to add a little conditioner, I'll do that in the detangling process. But now I like to just go ahead and go in with my deep conditioner and then detangle my hair. Alright, so I went ahead and rinsed and detangled my hair off camera. So now I'm going in with this Mayo leave-in conditioner. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know this is one of my faves. So I'm just putting that all in my hair and putting it in each 4 sections and then twisting it up. Then I'll be getting ready to go in with my styling products. Once I've done that, I just like to go ahead and split each section up so I can go ahead and work in smaller sections, just so I know that all the product that I'm using is getting on all of my hair. So I do like to go ahead and detangle once more with my dimming brush. This just helps to clump my hair together and make sure there's no detangles when I go in with my styling products. So the first product I'm using is this Mayel curl cream, and this was my first time using it. I thought it was pretty okay. It did clump my hair together pretty nicely, but I just really didn't like the smell, surprisingly, because like the other brand of Mayel, I really love the smell, but this product I really did not care for the smell at all. But it did do a good job in clumping my hair together for the most part, and it was very moisturizing. So this next product I'm going in with is this Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic, and I am using this as like my gel. This is like a jelly, so I really liked using this product when I used it before in a wash and go, so I thought I'll give it a try again for this shower wash and go, and it did mix pretty well with the Mayel curl cream, so I did really like that. But yes, as you can see, my hair is looking pretty good, so I'm just gonna pretty much keep this going, putting those two products on and defining my curls. Okay, so here's how my hair is looking after applying all the products in. It's looking real nice and juicy. My curls are looking so good. No frizz. It looks really good, y'all. I might start doing this more often, but yes, this is how my hair is looking before I diffuse. So here I am diffusing my hair, and I did let it air dry for a few hours. Well, I don't really know. I really wasn't paying attention to how long before I started diffusing, but I know I was doing something else, and then I started diffusing my hair. So it was maybe like 40% dry, but for some reason it really took a long time for my hair to dry. Like, even after I got done, it still wasn't completely dry. I don't know if it was the products or just me doing it in the shower, but here is my hair after it's all finished. And yeah, as you can see, like, it is shrunken up a little more than usual, which I don't really mind. I mean, it's first day hair, it's not going to be perfect, but for the most part, I really liked how my hair turned out. The products did do me some justice, and as you can see, here's how the back is looking. But yeah, I really like doing my hair in the shower. I might do it more often. I don't know if I'm gonna record it every time, but just those days where I just feel like go ahead and get it done in the shower, I might just go ahead and do it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Do y'all wash and goes in the shower, or do you do it outside of the shower? Because I might be switching over, I don't know. But yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.